Oh goodness, this is completely terrible and very salty.
Water!
I will make a special soup for lunch today.
Can I help you cook the tasty soup, Mother? I want to help wash the red tomatoes too.
Put the silver pot on the kitchen stove safely.
The fresh tomatoes are very clean and ready now. I am cutting the green vegetables very carefully now.
The stove is hot. Please stand back safely. The sweet tomato soup is boiling inside the pot.
The warm soup smells very delicious and sweet, Mother.
We need some sweet white sugar for this recipe. I will get the ingredients from the high shelf.
I can reach the high countertops easily now. I will move these heavy ceramic jars over here. I am putting this white container down right here.
Lily, please add 2 sweet spoons of white sugar.
I have the white container in my hand now. The white powder inside looks like sweet sugar powder. I am adding the first big spoon into pot. Let us put 1 more big spoon inside now.
I will mix the white powder into the soup.
Hello, family. The lunch smells very wonderful today.
I am very hungry after my long morning work.
Here is a hot bowl of fresh soup, Ben.
I will taste this sweet tomato soup right now.
Oh goodness, this is completely terrible and very salty.
Water! Please give me a cold glass of water.
Why does the sweet soup taste so bad, Ben? Oh wow, this is very salty and not sweet.
Look closely at the black label on this jar. Oh no, this label says salt and not sugar. I mixed up the white containers on the counter. I am so sorry, I made a big mistake. I did not read the cursive text on label.
It is all right. We can fix this problem together.
My mouth is burning, but accidents can happen, family.
We must always read the labels carefully before cooking. Check the words carefully to prevent a food disaster. Let us prepare a fresh pot of delicious soup. Now we add the tomatoes, Lily.
This fresh, sweet soup is perfect and tastes amazing.
Look inside my mouth. It feels very strange today. Everyone is sleeping, so I can find a delicious midnight snack. I must look on the high shelf inside the pantry. Ha! Here is a secret plastic box hidden behind the food. Look at these beautiful round pieces of bright blue candy. This sweet candy tastes amazing, and I want some more. I must hide the plastic container back on the shelf. Now I will walk back to my bedroom on tiptoe. The sun is rising, and my eyes are opening now. Oh no! My stomach hurts very badly this morning. I cannot stand up because the stomach pain is strong. Good morning, Leo. Let us play outside and garden. Why is your face so pale today, my brother? I feel sick, and I do not know why. Mother! Father! Please come to the bedroom quickly now!
I heard a loud scream from the children's room. Leo, tell me exactly where your body feels pain. Is it your stomach, your head, or somewhere else?
What is wrong with your mouth today, little boy?
Please open your mouth wide so I can see.
Look inside my mouth. It feels very strange today.
His entire tongue is dark blue from something bad.
Did you sneak out to eat something last night?
I found some sweet blue candy inside the kitchen.
I will go downstairs to check the kitchen pantry.
Let us see what is hidden inside this cupboard.
There are many food packages on the high shelves.
I found the plastic box with blue candies inside. There is some warning text printed on the label. This sweet candy box expired exactly 1 year ago.
I am carrying the expired box back upstairs now.
Look at this old container I found downstairs, Grace.
This old candy is dangerous for your little stomach.
I am very sorry. I will not do it.
Drink some clean water from this glass, my brother.
Thank you, Lily. The water feels very cool.
You must never sneak food during the dark night.
Always ask a parent before you eat a snack.
I promise to follow the rules and stay safe.